Hey guys, this video is going to be on cleaning your mass airflow sensor. Your mass airflow sensor is located between your air breather along this tube just before it goes into your engine. On this 1998 Toyota 4Runner, the mass airflow sensor sets here. If your mass airflow sensor gets dirty, it can cause engine hesitation, cause your engine to stall, and poor fuel economy. To remove this mass airflow sensor, I'm going to remove this wire harness here. There we go. 10mm socket on this hose clamp. With your mass airflow sensor off the car, take your cleaner designed specifically for mass airflow sensors, and you're not going to use brake clean or carburetor cleaner, and you give it a couple good squirts right down on that hot wire to clean it up. And now we'll let this set out for about 10 minutes to air dry. We do not want to put this back on a car while it's wet. Okay guys, to reinstall the mass airflow sensor, we're simply just going to put it back in the reverse order that we took it off. Two 10mm bolts. And install our wire harness. Oh, and one more thing, our clamp. With the mass airflow sensor cleaned and reinstalled on the car, now all that's left to do is to start the car. And that's it.